To science, we are on pages 116 and 117. The importance of the atmosphere for life and obtaining natural resources. Why is the Earth the only known planet with water and the conditions necessary for life? Part of the explanation is found in the characteristics of the atmosphere. The atmosphere generates a greenhouse effect, principally caused by carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. This effect means the Earth retains heat from the Sun in its atmosphere. This causes the Earth to have an average temperature of 15 degrees Celsius, which does not change drastically. At this temperature, water is in liquid form, and the difference between the minimum and maximum temperatures gives environmental stability that allows life. The ozone layer of the atmosphere filters the ultraviolet radiation (UV) from the sun. This radiation can alter cells, destroy microorganisms, and damage larger organisms. The atmosphere sustains life because it contains oxygen, which is necessary for breathing, and carbon dioxide used by plants for photosynthesis. It is also responsible for the weather, which is related to the water cycle. Did you know that humans have learned how to use the components and characteristics of the atmosphere for raw materials and to generate energy? Here are some examples. The nitrogen in air can be used in different technological processes, such as to make fertilizer and refrigerants or to conserve food. It is possible to get water from fog or mist, as is done in the Atacama Desert in Chile. Cloud banks are used to provide running water to the villages in the desert using a fog collection system. Energy from the wind can be transformed into electric energy using air generators or wind turbines like those in the photograph. In the past, wind was also used to power windmills that ground wheat to make flour. There is a wind farm. Identify which layer of the atmosphere corresponds to each characteristic. Contains part of the ionosphere, the thermosphere. Contains the ozone layer, stratosphere. Weather events happen here, troposphere. Has the lowest temperature, mesosphere. Made principally of hydrogen and helium, exosphere. Mount Everest is 8,850 meters high. Why do people who climb Mount Everest usually use oxygen masks? They wear oxygen masks because at higher altitudes air is less dense, so there is less oxygen available to breathe. How has the atmosphere been important in developing and maintaining life on Earth? It keeps the planet from going through large variations in temperature, filters ultraviolet rays, and contains oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are essential for life. Summarizing, prepare a computer presentation of no more than 5 slides. In your presentation, include the characteristics of the atmosphere, their importance to life on Earth, and their use as natural resources. Present your work to your classmates and teacher. We're not going to do this computer presentation because we're going to have the another risk one in social science, so it's fine for now.